Problem 13. SAT scores. Scores on the SAT are normally distributed. A sample of 20 SAT scores had standard deviation is S equal 87. A. Construct a 98% confidence interval for the population standard deviation sigma. And B, someone says that the scoring system for the SAT is designed so that the population standard deviation to be 100. Does this confidence interval contradict this claim? And explain. So from the section we learned, we have the formula to construct a confidence interval for population standard deviation. So we have n minus 1 times s squared divided by chi squared left, and n minus 1 times s squared divided by chi squared right. So we now just plug in the number first. So we have the sample of 20, so n is 20. So 20 minus 1, s is 87, so 87 square. 20 minus 1, 87 square. Chi square right and chi square left. So we will find chi square right and chi square left. We draw the confidence level in the middle. As always, the chi is not symmetric. So for this part is 1% and 1%. We will use the degree of freedom is n minus 1, which is 19 because 20 minus 1 is 19. So the point right here is a critical value, and that will be chi square right because it's on the right side, and chi square left right here. Now we will use the GeoGebra. So we will click on the chi square, and the degree of freedom is 19. We shade on the right side first, and we put in the number is 0.01. So I got 36.19. And then I click on the left side, 0.01, so I got 7.63. Now chi square left, you will put in under the right side, which is 7.63, and don't square the number because it's already chi square. It's already squared the number for us, so 36.19. Okay, notice that we put in the right here and the left in here. Okay, now we will put them in the calculator. Okay, so we have 20 minus 1 is 19 times 87 square, and then divided by 36.17, and you take the square root of that, so the answer will be 63.05. And the other one, so we have 137.289, so 29. So we will conclude that we are 98% confident that the population standard deviation sigma is between 63.05 and 137.29. Part B. Someone says that the scoring system for SAT is designed so that the population standard deviation to be 100. Does this confidence interval contradict this claim? You look at the number 100 and this is in the range from 63 and 137. So the confidence interval does not contradict this claim. The confidence interval does not contradict this claim, and we explain because sigma equal to 100 is in the confidence interval range that we calculated before, right?